I was going to town with that flat iron. You know how you start feeling yourself and you like,
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video. Showing up and showing out for Synthetic Saturdays. How you doing? Synthetic Saturdays don't always have to have wine, but I just happen to have it here. Y'all see this wig? First of all, can you believe she's synthetic? Secondly, can you believe I've had this wig for over 2 years, and she's still this bomb. This wig is a synthetic wig that I received from Sam's Beauty, but you also can pick it up on Amazon. This is the, hold on, it's a long name. Let me get to it. Hold on. This is the Bobbi Boss Synthetic M707 Buttercup wig in the color 3T1B 2736. Almost like a locker combination, but this is the wig right here. Isn't she gorgeous? I had to revive her. She looked a fool. When I first received this wig she was much tighter coils, and then I did some things to it, kind of ruined her, but I just fixed her. Now she's giving you Tina Turner. Now she's ready for a show. Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like in the back as well, like the finished look. Come on, sis. I went on Amazon Live on Sunday. When y'all will be seeing this video, it'll be the Saturday after. So I'll be including some clips from Amazon Live into this video to show you how I brought her into this glory right here. So if you want to see what I did to make this wig what she is today, please keep on watching and I'll be back. First, let's go ahead and take this wig off. Please don't judge my hair. This is what the wig looks like when it's off my head. It has a comb in the back to keep it secure, and it also has two combs on like the temple areas to keep it secure. I don't use the combs. I don't use my combs. I use the wig grip to keep my wig in place. It saves your edges and it saves your hair. I highly recommend getting a wig grip. This wig, unlike other wigs, is not a lace wig. There is no parting space. This is just like, this has like a track closure, so there's no parting space on it. They just made it like really, really dense in the crown area, so it looks like your hair. One thing that I love about this wig is that it has more of like a kinkier root to give it lift. It's not silky at the roots. This wig originally came much curlier than this, but I took a flat iron to it, and that's part of the reason why it looks a little bit of a mess. So we're just gonna go ahead and plop the wig right back on. So I'm going to take my Annie shears and I'm going to trim away the straight hairs. So you see these straight hairs right here? Boom. Fixed it. Bam. Boom. The reason why I straightened the hair is because I noticed that a lot of girls that have like naturally curly blonde curls is that when they dye their hair, their ends are damaged. That's what I was trying to do. That's what I was going for, but I think I went a little bit too far. So we're just trying to correct that damage. Like this piece right here is a no ma'am. Just gonna trim that away. I'm trying not to get this in my juice. Hello. Okay, so the problem is gonna be down here. Like this side looks fine, but this side I just went too far. I completely destroyed this side of my head. Like I just did. I was going to town with that flat iron. You know how you start feeling yourself and you like doing your hair thinking you cute, and then you realize like, girl, I went too far. Okay, there are the curls. Bringing the curls back. Okay, so I think we're done. Like I still have the curls. I got rid of the straight pieces. Like it don't look like crazy wild. And you can still see the curls and definition in here. So now that we're back, What do y'all think? And this wig is not a lace frontal wig like I had said before. Like, you can just throw her on, shake her out, and go. I love this wig for that. And you can get her in different colors as well. So if y'all want to purchase this wig, please click the link down below to my Amazon Live. It shows all the products that I used, including my makeup, like this look right here. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all have any requests for wigs that you'd like me to review, please let me know down below. I love to hear what y'all want to see. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all to pieces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.